All right, here's the 1983 Mercedes 300D. Do a cold start and a walk around. 21 degrees Fahrenheit for all you Americans. Very cold. As you can see, it's also very cold outside. We will be moving the car out simply for the purposes of this video to do the walk around. Starts up right away. And let it warm up. And then we're going to pull it out of the garage. All lights are working. And we'll proceed with the walk around. Okay. So as you can see, the car is clean. The car is not winter driven. And you have the cracked headlight bezel right there as listed in the ad. On the side, just a little ding here on the lower side of the passenger door, as you can see right there. Other than that, the panels are nice and clean. Little stuff right here as noted in the listing. Beyond that, a slight ding right beside the license plate, which is barely unnoticeable, and what's been listed in detail here on the back. We'll proceed to lower the windows and open the sunroof and then raise them all again. That is the 1983 Mercedes-Benz 300D as listed on Bring a Trailer. Today's date is January 13th, 2019. And if there's any questions, feel free, we'll respond in the comment section. Thank you.